Hey there, folks. Have you ever tried to make a purchase with your Discover card, only to find out your PIN is blocked? It's a frustrating situation, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Today, we're diving into how to unblock a Discover card PIN so you can get back to using your card hassle-free. First off, let's understand why this happens. Your PIN gets blocked as a security measure, usually after multiple incorrect entries. This is Discover's way of protecting your account from potential fraud. The good news is that unblocking it is straightforward and can often be done quickly. Step 1. Check your account online or through the Discover app. Log in to your Discover account on their website or mobile app. Look for the Account Services or Security section. Here, you might find an option to reset your PIN directly. If it's blocked, the system could prompt you to verify your identity first, which might involve answering security questions or providing personal details. If that doesn't work, step 2 is to contact Discover customer service. Give them a call at the number on the back of your card. Be prepared with your card details, like the last 4 digits of your account number and some verification info. A representative can walk you through unblocking your PIN and even help you set a new one. This is usually the fastest way, and they're available 24/7. Another option, step 3, is to visit a Discover branch if you're near one. Though Discover is mostly digital, they partner with networks like ATM locations for in-person help. Use the ATM locator on their site to find a spot. A quick tip. While you're at it, consider choosing a new, memorable PIN that's not too obvious, like your birth year, to avoid this issue in the future. Always keep your security in mind. And there you have it. Unblocking your Discover card PIN is easier than you think. If you follow these steps, you'll be back to shopping in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.